Hello everybody, welcome to Moose's Workshop. We're in the middle of painting roundhouse parts as you can see, but that's not what this video is about. While we're waiting for the next round of paint to dry, we are going to do an unboxing that showed up. This came from Andrew all the way from Trenton, New Jersey. Little deal I did with the guy, the box was a little damaged, hopefully nothing's damaged inside. So let's get started. Okay, don't have much room with all the painted parts around. Not a good packing in here. Get that out of the way. Start with this one. Nice little Burlington Northern hopper, coal hopper. Ha! I don't see who made it though. At least my little eyes can't see it. Another hopper. The Rock. Very nice, very clean. Bubble wrap was so loud, even I heard it in this room. Union Pacific hopper. Okay, go back a little bit. They look to be all from the same company here. Now, the big caboose build I did for the outdoor railroad, I was looking forward to getting this. Burlington Northern caboose. In really good shape. This one says Tyco, Hong Kong. What's wrong? New Haven. You need to remember to stay back a little bit. I don't see anything on here that says where it's made. I can spend too long. If some of you know, let me know. No name on that one. CP Rail. Some of these don't even look like they had any use. The tires, pretty good. This actually has metal axles on it, but still plastic tires. This one is made in Hong Kong is the only thing I see, so it might be Tyco, who knows. Rail box, good condition. Doors do not open. Made in Yugoslavia. No clue. I'm all kind of new to this, so it'll take me a while to learn where everything's from and all that. Another Burlington Northern boxcar. Oh! Anything Burlington Northern and Santa Fe that goes along with it back then, and definitely Union Pacific. Love it all. We have both railroads here in Omaha. One on both sides of town. Another Burlington Northern caboose, kind of like mine, but the cupola's in the center. Like Life China. Pretty cool. Another Union Pacific hopper. Really hard to tell. A standard Santa Fe caboose. This one says Bachmann. Haha, I kind of figured the shape of it and everything. No actual glass in this. Ooh, nice. United States steel. And so far, all of these have the couplers and the tires and all that. A lot of detail on the underneath of this one. And, oh, there we go. I think I've seen something. Tyco. Pretty good detail for Tyco. Not knocking Tyco at all, I'm just saying. For one of the affordable brands, that's a lot of people. Peabody, short line. Oh. All I see is Taiwan. Like I said, if you know where these are from, let me know. I'm a-learning. Ooh, this one had some damage. Brake wheel came off. Otherwise, it's in decent shape. One thing I can read is Hotco. I think that's what it says. Something. I don't know. We'll put that here and not lose that wheel. So put that over there. Another hopper. This one has a loose wheel. I don't know if it's a truck problem or not. Let's see if I can pop that back in there without it falling back out. Cool. This one says Bachmann. A little dirty on the inside, but alright. Another New Haven. Made by Tyco. Santa Fe boxcar. Shock control. Big old printed Tyco on the bottom of this one. Ralston Purina. This one is Tyco. Right under the wheel. Very well packed. Did a good job. I appreciate that, if he's watching. This one had a coupler malfunction. It's missing a little cap on the bottom to hold it in. But Maine Pine Tree Central. Varney, if that's actually a company, I don't know. I'll put that on top in case I find the other piece. Morel's Pride canned meat wooden boxcar. Got some good weight to it. A little dirty on the bottom, kind of hard to read anything. The Route of El Capitan, Santa Fe. Only all coach Chicago, Los Angeles Streamliner. Tyco. Once I'm done here unboxing, turn these off, run upstairs, flip pieces over for the roundhouse, paint the next side, da-da-da-da. Fun weekend. We'll have another unboxing later tonight or tomorrow. Bachmann, Hong Kong. Burlington Northern. Oh, I just love that green. If anybody knows, is there a difference between Burlington Northern Green and John Deere Green? Another one. Different style though. Made in somewhere. It's way under the axle, so I can't read that one. This one has a load in it. Looks like gravel or sand. Rio Grande. A lot of detail on the underneath. Let me turn on some more light here. There we go. I think it says, oh, Lionel. There we go. A little extra light helps. Hopefully it's not messing up the camera. Ah, my first Conrail. Yeah, I can read a lot better with the overhead light. Tyco. Camera holding up? Yep. Even with the extra memory card in this phone, I gotta purge it a lot of video. Oh, it'll run out real fast. Okay, Chicago and Illinois Midland. Wooden car. The door is actually open. Very nice. Lifelike. Never owned a Lifelike, but now I do. I had a little small train set when I was young. It was Tyco and Bachmann. Another Tyco, Ralston Purina. That makes two of those. Everywhere West, Burlington Route. Tyco. Yeah, that overhead light helps. No, I'm not going to backtrack. Because my camera does say I only got X amount of time left, so. Plus I got parts sitting out with wet paint. Oh, anyways. Southern All-Door Loading Super Cushion Service. A lot of detail underneath. Bachmann, there we go. Made in Taiwan. Another rail box. Pretty cool. Made in Yugoslavia. Hope you like my impersonations from the Deathman. Forget about it. You're talking to me? DRGW. DNRGW. I actually don't know what that stands for. A lot of detail on the bottom. See? Oh. This is that other one. I think it says Hotco. Yeah, let's see if I can read it. Hotco. Okay. I hope that's right. If I'm not, correct me in the comments. But do it nicely. Baby Ruth. Don't know if there was ever an actual box car that looked like this. It was kind of cool looking. All I can think of is Goonies. Sloth Love Chunk. Baby Ruth. I miss my 80s movies. Sloth Love Chunk. Another Caboose, Santa Fe. Different style than the other ones I got. Bachman. I feel like the Sorting Hat. Gryffindor. Slytherin. And if you're wondering, I'm a Hufflepuff. Very close second would be Ravenclaw. Dairymen's League. Kind of dirty, so. Don't know. Ooh, I never had a side Cupulus. This thing looked brand new. China. Not seeing anything else, but it's another Conrail. My second Conrail. I'll put that with the other Conrail. I like the blue one. Like a TARDIS blue. Okay, Swift refrigerator line, wooden boxcar. A lot of detail underneath from Lifelike. Very nice. And for the last two, I have one kind of like this already. I think it might be the same. But I have never seen, at least in my area, a gondola that has metal top cover. A little rusted on the inside. A little beat up. Wheels are definitely kind of toasty on this. Yeah, the actual shot on this, it's been bent out for way too long. But we'll fix it. Part of the fun. And last but not least, another Burlington Northern, Cole Hopper. By now, every time I say Hopper, I think Stranger Things. Well, that is all of them. Let's see how many I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19,